Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Pamela and I make all types of videos in regards to horticulture, hair, bags, myself, my life. Welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, share it, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want, and yeah. So on today's video, I actually wanted to come on here and do kind of a update, not update situation. I decided earlier in July that I wanted to just whiten my teeth a bit. I felt like my teeth were a little too yellow for my liking, and I chose to, go to the store, buy baking soda, and every single day I've been brushing my teeth with my normal toothpaste and baking soda. And honestly, I love the results. I really love the results. I don't know why I stopped when I was a kid. My family always, forced you to like brush your teeth with like baking soda and toothpaste, and it was like the most gagging taste I remember growing up. But now it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But yeah, so here are the results. This is what it looks like now, and it's been about a month since I've been brushing my teeth with baking soda and my toothpaste. I don't think the toothpaste you use really matters. Maybe it does, but I've been alternating between Colgate and I forgot the other brand, but I think it's not Crest. I don't like Crest. But yeah, guys, so yeah, if you feel like your teeth is not as white as you'd like and you personally can't afford to go to the dentist and get a whole whitening set, kit, whatever, then for the meanwhile, I definitely recommend you use baking soda while you're brushing your teeth. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video on how I've whitened my teeth in the last month in comparison to how yellow and disgusting it looked. It's super white compared to how it was before. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, comment down in the comment section below if you use baking soda, if you want to use baking soda, and what are your methods of whitening your teeth, because I like natural methods. I'm not really too big on like chemical interference too much. Like the toothpaste is more than enough for now for me. And yeah, so yeah guys, subscribe if you haven't, join my little cookie family. We're pretty awesome here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.